Hi guys, good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. That was a bright good evening. All right, Mr. Edwards, you're here with me. Did you open the file that we were working on yesterday?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. All right. Hmm. What can we accomplish today? Hmm. Can you open the course outline and see what we have?
There you go.
Your what type of work do you do?
Why?
Mr. Edwards?
Operations administrative assistant.
Correction?
No, security.
Okay, okay, okay. How can I get a job?
Of course you can.
What do I need?
Sir, where are you going? You don't want to be our lecturer anymore?
I didn't say that, but I mean, it would be good to have a little side job, something there that can make some extra revenue.
Yeah, but we don't do side jobs here. Everything is full time, nothing part time.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Okay.
12 hours you have to devote of your time.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. All right. So that means I'm not a candidate at all.
No, you can't lose you as a lecturer, so you just have to stay where you are.
All right. Hmm. Persons are coming in, but they're coming in slow. Hmm. We stopped at wildcard queries yesterday.
Yeah.
So we did one wildcard query to pick up anybody who has a surname or first name started with N. So it was N star. Ooh. You want to do something like that again for me?
Sure.
No, we did not. We didn't do all those. We didn't do exact matching. We didn't do
Okay.
um or logical or
Which one?
um we do those. We never do those now.
Leave it or still highlight it?
Hmm. Do those no. Um
So stop it at C.
yeah, hold on a bit. Hold up. Yeah, we didn't do sort yet. Well, I mean, sort is easy. You know, when you do your query, homework query for me that you did already. That has multiple items in it. Nah, something else more. Nah,
Hmm.
one with female. Yeah, female. Okay. Sorting it is the same way. You just click on A to Z, click on the heading of the column, and click from ascending to descending, and that's sorting it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's sorting it. No biggie to that. They have reduced the syllabus significantly because in the previous syllabus they asked you for another like update queries, delete queries and stuff, but they have removed it since the update of the syllabus, so those things are not there anymore.
They can teach it regardless.
Yes, I can. It's no harm in doing it. There are a lot of things that I could teach you, but the syllabus is restrict me to certain things, so or restrict us to certain things. But I have no problem in teaching those things. You want us to start?
Sure.
I'm gonna start us back on go back to the all right, hold on. Do a wildcard query for me for anybody that has a surname starting with E.
Hold on. I'll change it to like
Who's that query?
no, for design. All right. Using the tables from all three, but
No, just one.
student information. All right.
Mm-hmm. First name, last name.
And you want the criteria to be?
Anybody with surname starting with E.
B or E?
E as in egg.
Okay.
So that's E star, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So all individuals with surname beginning with E. All right, let me show you another one.
Don't save this one.
Mhm. All right, pull up another query, just like that before. First name, last name again. I'll tell you the criteria. In your surname, type B and put 4 question mark after B.
That's it?
All right, so that's B with 4 question mark after it, okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You run that and see what happens. Why did they pick out brown?
Okay.
You want to make a guess? Anyone? Why did it single out brown?
Is it that the
Because of
question
the
mark
amount.
replace each letters after brown? The four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters after brown?
No, listen to what you said a while ago.
The question mark replace the 4 letters.
After,
B.
after B, not brown. After B.
Hmm.
So each question mark represents a letter after B. So it
Yeah.
must start with B and you must have exactly 4 letters.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
So that's a wildcard query, but it's using question mark as a wildcard. It's specific. It's where your wildcard with star would be generalized. This is asking for specific, okay? Now I could also combine both the star and the question mark together to do a wildcard query. Okay?
Okay.
Let's say I say the first name start with O and the last name has X amount of characters inside there. I've been narrowing down the search to that, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Everybody is following? I I know when it comes on to Friday evening, persons tend to be a little bit laid back because they're saying, what a long week. I wish today I could hadn't have any class and I want to kick back and stuff. I know that's the feeling. Yeah.
Mhm.
You remember, all right, look at this. My class is on Friday. It's like my class is today starts at 8 o'clock. My first class this morning is 8 o'clock.
Mhm.
So my first class starts at 8 and it finishes at 11. My first class yesterday started at 9 and finishes at 1. And then your class is in the evening. So I have the whole day of work. So I know the feeling. All right. See this one?
Give me something. I notice it. I'll just say it as his name, Omar Brown.
Okay. Now let's do what some of the other ones that the syllabus asks you for. All right, open my query, first name, last name, gender, marital status, and date of birth. Those are what I want.
Okay.
Okay, good. I for gender put F for female. No, that's wrong place. It's supposed to be. Oh, yes, right. F for female. Why is this seeing a cross? Oh, you're doing a cross tab. My bad. That's why. Upon the query, you choose a cross tab query. It's a select query. Go back up to the top and click on select. Up top, right. Because I saw a group by a while ago. I was like, why you have a group by? Because the syllabus don't require you to teach, for me to teach you guys, make table query append, update, cross tab, and delete queries anymore.
Okay.
It's much, much easier. Baby stuff. All right. In marital status, type for me. Um, M space or space D. What am I saying there? What am I trying to
Married
find
or
it with this?
divorced?
Yes. Who?
Females.
Okay. So I'm just trying to find out who are the females who are married or divorced. Not true.
Yeah.
RW.
Hmm.
Okay.
That's it.
If we run that, I think that would pick up most of the females.
Mm.
What? And go one widow in there?
Mm-hmm. No one else is married.
So everybody is
Single.
or what?
Single.
No, it could be common law too.
Hmm.
You forget?
No.
So this
Majority
query
is
is
single.
huh?
But the majority was single. Are
The
still,
majority were single?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So in this query, we're checking for females who are either married, divorced, or widowed. In this case, he picked up one widowed. So if any of the conditions were true, you'd have picked them out. But in our case, in our database, is only one widowed person. Everybody else is either single or common law.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Following people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Jermaine, which part of the country you are from?
Thank you, sir. Right now. But I'm
Portmore?
from Thank you.
St. Catherine is one of the biggest parish,
Yeah, York Street.
Where?
York Street.
Okay.
Linstead, yeah, Linstead, York Street.
Yeah, man, Linstead is a nice place. What did you save it as?
Name of Uncle Sean Smith.
What you save it as?
Krishan Smith.
No. Oh, people can remember this. All right, rename it. Rename it as logical or query. Close it. Rename it as logical or query. So you see how the R work, guys.
Mm-hmm.
The OR looks for any of the criteria that matches that specific requirement.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. All right. Pull up another query for me. First name, last name, school fee pay, and registered. All right. Yes, sir, registered. In school fee pay, put 25,000, greater than 25,000, space, and less than, make it neat space, you know? Space, yeah. 80,000. What am I searching for?
Persons who is registered with school fee paid greater than 25,000 but less than 80.
Okay. Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Nobody.
Nobody.
But
All
my
right.
aunt sounding
Increase the
Oh,
range.
okay.
Go
I
back to
think um put it to about 200,000 and see. I
go
don't
back
know
to
how
a
much.
design view. Design, okay.
Yeah.
No, but the figures were some big numbers, you know. That's some
Oh, that's what. That's why. All right.
100,000
Cool.
and all that.
All right. Put it in there. Put in those figures. You know. Go on. Go on.
450,000
Hmm.
but less than
600,000.
9,900,000.
9 million. We
900.
serious?
That's what 28 million dollars there.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's see what this is saying now. Okay.
Oh, three people come up. Hmm. So that you save this query as what? Registered students, school fee greater than, you can put it in there. Registered students, school fee, you can put use a greater than sign to do work.
Mm. All of it can fit.
Yeah, you can use a greater than sign. That work, it will fit, man.
Less than what was the figure? 900,000. All right.
You see that?
Yeah.
Straight, widen the bar. So you're right. You know what you're talking. Right. Good, good. Everybody saw that one?
Yes,
So
sir.
this targeted students that are registered but have school fee that are paid greater than, is it $45,000?
450,000 but less than 900,000.
Okay. So you could use the and. So this is showing what? The and, or you use the and. You could
And
use greater than or equal to. Okay. In your
yeah.
range, you could use between. So you could say between that amount and that amount,
Oh.
right? You could also use not. So you could use or, and, between, not, those logical words in your database to get your particular result. right?
Yes, sir.
So if I wanted to find persons that were born before a particular time or between a particular time, I could actually just put that in my database query and pull out the result that I want. Okay?
Okay.
Cool, everyone?
Okay.
Nicholas, Paul. Okay. I'm quiet. Everybody is quiet. Do one for me. Do one with and see between and see what the result is. Tell us what you're doing though.
All right, so you want me to do one with and?
You could use any one of them, the and, the or, the not, the between.
All right.
Greater than or less than. You could even use equal to. For example, I could look for a particular person that has a specific name or a specific value. For example, if anybody have a school fee, what that's equal to $25,000. So I put equal $25,000 in the criteria to find that person who will only have $25,000.
You wouldn't find nobody. Find nobody school fee and chips. All right, so want to ensure that they're actually registered and their school fee is equal to $8 million. Let's see if anything populates for that. No.
Anybody have a school fee that amount?
Yeah.
80 million?
Eight.
Take out the equal sign and let me see if it picks it up.
Hold on.
80 million, nobody go.
It's called, we can't see. Let's see.
Is that person registered? You sure?
I'll have to double check that.
Take out you have to take out yes and run it. It may. Nobody never $80 million school fee.
Yep. 8. I want to view the table. Hold on.
See
closing.
there? No. You just open it on the left hand side. Just click on it on the left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side.
Okay.
Information. Go over.
I know, so somebody school fee at 8 million something, man.
That's why you couldn't find it. It had to be specific.
Oh, so when you say equal to, that mean you have to have the actual figure?
Yes, that's the matchup.
Oh, okay.
If you use greater than 80 million, no, it will have pick it up. You understand?
Yeah.
Or if you had greater than or equal to it, will pick it up. But you are looking for 80 million, there's no 80 million there, so you won't pick it. You could look for 58 and it will pick it up. The $58.
So when you say equal, you need the exact figure. So it has to be equal to 8.5 million. It has to be equal to $58. It has to be equal to 331,500. Okay.
Equal to it has to find the exact match.
That figure, okay.
Right? Okay. So that means you're specific, like you're trying to find out. It's right there now, query. It's right there on query. You can jump back on it. Right there. Right? So let's say you're trying to find out who paid this exact amount of money today, or this amount of money was lodged in the bank. You're trying to find out who lodged exactly $6 million in the bank today. Right? Yeah, right? Like you have a game thing and say anybody who lodged $6 million, we want to find who they are. See?
Okay.
Get it? Like in
Yeah.
courts have this bonus thing or digital have like a bonus thing and say anybody who lodge, let's say they lodge $500,000 in the bank before 9 o'clock, they get a bonus.
Oh.
Yeah, look at trivia. They always do it. Something they always do it. The credit unions always do it. Like, they
Yeah.
want to give away something, so they encourage persons to open a saving account and lodge X amount of money. For a particular time, they give them something.
Never heard of that before.
What?
Never.
Christmas, no. Christmas, no. What and see if them want to give open money, but for you to get anything, you have to give them something. So you owe me an account and lodge in certain amount of money, they give you a little membership award, them give you a little what you call it? We can go Price Mart and buy whatever. Coupon,
Gift cards.
gift yeah.
I use there.
If you spend X amount of money, then give you coupons for gas or those good thing. I feel like it's only me and you here.
One is just observing.
Nicolette, you don't feel that way?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh.
So just try follow cause
I
IT
think
Sir,
everyone is still trying to.
we get there, sir. We just are taking what is being taught.
I agree. I agree with Kit.
Tavia, what you're saying?
So I was saying I agree with Kit that we're
What she's
observing.
okay. Richard, what you say, Richard?
So I say they try follow cause
Mm.
IT thing on a really for everybody, but we are try, sir. Well,
Right, I like the try.
It's I've always known this, but I realized that with access, the information has to be precise because the least of the information will throw off it, or you won't get the results that you're supposed to get. Like for
Exactly.
example, when she was doing the prayer a while ago and looking for the
Mhm.
information, yeah.
Right. And
Um,
then you think that you're doing the wrong thing. Or or
yeah.
probably database it's not working. But if you put rubbish in, it's not gonna give you the right thing.
Yeah, rubbish in, rubbish out. One
Yeah, or
thing I do, I'm
garbage.
wondering if I'm confusing access with something else. I think
Mm.
I associate access with macro.
Mm-hmm.
I have it correct?
No, but macros are a part of Access,
Oh, okay.
as well as macros are a
Maybe,
part of Excel.
yeah, because I was trying to remember that because I remember browsing through it one time.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, sir, what I observe.
Mhm. What I'm encouraging you to do, realize I'm not giving you the long classes again. I'm trying to cut them down. So when you're reviewing them now, we're reviewing the information that I post for the classes. It's not as long as probably Excel or so on. It's much shorter. So you should be able to absorb it easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
As for me, sir, Daniel here, I'm trying to observe because I missed out a week of class. So I'm trying to catch up on this and work. So I really trying to just catch up this guy.
no problem. I appreciate that. But as I said, when I go through this stuff, I want you to go back. I want you to spend a Sunday evening, right? Because most people don't do anything on a Saturday beside house chores and stuff, but Sunday evening, when you're in a more relaxed mood, just spend your hour and a half and just go back to the little videos and, get your practice, watch the videos and so on and get it. Because Access is the last practical thing that you do in IT. After Access, you're through. Okay? So, and then you get your final assessment for Access and that's it. So you'll be done for the labs.
Final
And
assessment access.
yeah, after Access, you're finished with labs. I mean, that's the Access is the last thing. Access is the last thing that you get, You have done
Okay,
your
sir.
you have done
Great, sir.
you have done your Word assessment already. You have done your PowerPoint assessment. You have done your Excel assessment already. Access is the last lab assessment. You have done your mid-semester already, and you have done your research project. You have 6 pieces. You don't realize. So Access will be the last.
Sir,
Last
I
set.
realize, sir, but you see, we just go at a speed, we're not even a pick up, to be honest.
Okay.
Sir, for Access, we have to purchase the software, is that so?
If you're planning to do the assessment, most definitely. Or you're going to use somebody's machine that has it.
Oh, God. Okay.
Yes, he's good. All right. I'll leave it to you, Mr. Edwards. What you want to do? What else you want to do?
What else does this say?
So watch me. You just did a while ago sorting,
Yeah.
which is C. You did the exact match a while ago, which is the school fee equal that amount and the person is registered.
Yeah.
You just did an AND query and an R query. You just did you did a couple wildcard queries. Right? And you did A is what you've been doing over and over and over. And B is what you've been doing over and over and over. Creating the queries and running them, that's all you've been doing. So you've been doing everything that is asked for in 6.
Something's off,
Okay.
So we did create forms.
We did create forms already from previous class. I'm gonna do it back again, don't worry. But let me show you. All right. Let me show you 2 things before. I said that they changed up the syllabus a bit, so some things are not there. I'm going to show you 2 other queries, right? Or some other queries that are not on the syllabus, which comes very, very useful. All right, click create for me. We're going to do a new query.
Okay. Hold on.
First name, last name. Okay. In the criteria, all right, watch this.
Which one?
I'm going to teach you how to do an update query, okay? Click on update. All you've been doing so far are select queries. So up at top, you see all you've been doing is just one set of queries. There's a whole bunch of other queries you could do.
Okay.
So update query is one. Click on update. Okay? If you click on the update query, the bottom of the field changes. It now has this option that says update to.
Yeah.
You see, it wasn't there before. Because update query allows you to update something. All right?
Yeah.
All right. Put in your name, Ms. Edwards, as a criteria. First name and last name. No, first name. No, man. Last name is supposed to be in the other column. So first name alone is there.
Because it came up when I was typing it. Okay.
Okay. So when do you plan to get married, Ms. Edwards?
Never.
All right. So put in update to. What does it say there?
A string can be up to 2048 characters long, including opening and closing quotation marks. Okay.
That's true, yeah.
What?
Put it in the
Because the
quotation.
quotation not on the end of
Yeah,
name Edwards.
Okay. What the heck is this? Snap this now. Hold on. All right. Okay.
All right. Put in your update too.
Um.
Put in your first name.
What this now?
Surname. Put in your surname. Put a dash. No, man. Dash after your surname. We're gonna marry you off to Smith.
Okay.
So Edward Smith. Edward dash Smith.
And run that. That's it.
Yeah, run it. It says what?
Once you click yes, you can't use the undo command to reverse the changes. Are you sure you want to update these records? Yes.
Save it. No, it's not save it.
Save it.
Mm-hmm. What you save it as?
Update query.
No.
What?
What is?
I'm supposed to save it as no.
Close it. You're gonna save it as update Edwards or close it. Close it. You're gonna rename it. You have to close it and rename it.
Okay.
Change Edwards to Edward Smith.
Okay.
So you see what we do, guys? This is how we update a person's account in a bank. A bank account. We could just, if the person got married, we do our update query, we find the person or isolate the person, and then say yes. And then we run an update query to change the information. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you go back into
Well,
student
now.
information now, no, you're trying to run it already. It was run already, that's why.
So student information, that's where you see the changes?
Yeah.
Karate.
Okay.
Okay.
You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Because remember, queries are used to make changes or pull information. We just, all the queries that we've been doing so far, we're just pulling from the table, not doing anything. This is our
Sir,
update query.
sir.
Yes.
The part it update to Nicholas. Nicolette, I apologize.
That's
Nicolette
fine. That's my
Edwards,
brother's name. That's
right?
okay.
However, the marital status is still single.
Oh, then she could have changed at same time as well.
So it would be a case where even though you update the name to show that you're married, you have to update every single field in order to change the information.
No, you'd have to tell a specific field. So in the query a while ago, we should have changed the marital status from single to married.
Let's go back to the query and edit it now, sir.
Yeah, she can.
Can we go back to the query? Yeah, man.
So go back to the query. Right, no, wait. Right click on the query. Right click on the query. See down on the bottom.
This one?
Right click on it. Yeah. Right click on it. Right click.
It's in there.
Right click. All right. Design view. Good. Pull on marital status. All right. Change in criteria where you have Single S for single, you put M for married. That's it. And just run it again. It's gonna say no because it was run before, but it will make the change. Okay? So close it and then go into the yeah.
Still single.
Still single? I know why. You should have done everything one time. It's still
Oh.
treating it as yeah, it's done
Well, it
already.
did say that we weren't able to make any further adjustments.
Yes, that's true. So when you're doing it, you ensure you do the right thing by doing both at the same time, which is changing the name and the status.
So at this point, we have to run a new query.
Yes, Mr. Grant, and that is why you have to run a new query again. Thank
So
you.
we're gonna have to delete this one?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Let's change it right there and it's okay. Or you can, since we know what the problem is, we know what will happen.
Okay.
We could delete it and do it over back again, or we could just change it here, okay? But that's a good observation, team. Very good observation.
Okay, Tanya.
Okay. All right. And you realize the symbol that is used for the update query now, it says different?
Yeah.
Looking at
Yeah.
it's different. So every query that you run, every different type of query, you have a different symbol for it, okay? Now, imagine this. If JPS decided that they're going to give you guys a discount on their billing cycle for this month because of hurricane, all you need to do is in the update query, run an update query and put a 5% discount in it. And everybody will have gotten a 5% discount. Get what I'm saying?
That's to JPS.
Let me show you. First name, last name, ID number, or you have to use that. First name, last name, yeah, ID number, go on. And then you're gonna pick up school fee. You need female. Who you want to give the discount to, or who you want school fee going to change? Huh?
Everyone.
Everybody?
All registered persons. Everybody unregistered.
All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yes. All right. Good. So on a school fee update too, you're gonna change. Remember that select query now. You need to change from select query to update. The query, perfect. So you have update two. Good. So what we're going to update to is where you have school fee. The cursor needs to be above, the field above, because you want to update.
Update too? Yeah.
The school fee, yeah, right here. So in bracket, put school fee. Square bracket.
Okay.
School fee, that's to spell exactly like what you have it up on school fee page, exactly as you spell it up there. Close bracket. Minus. School fee in square bracket again. Times multiplication sign star 5%. Close bracket. So what we're saying here, we're going to find 5% of the school fee and minus it from the existing school fee for all registered students.
Okay.
Oh, it's stopping you. Why is it stopping you? Hold on. Why is it stopping you? School fee priority. Let me try something simple. Is it the last bracket where you have the multiplication sign in there? Take off that and put minus $500. Let me see something. There's something wrong with the calculation. Why am I?
Remove all of this information.
Yeah, just and put minus. Yeah, stop. Take out the 5%. Take out the 5. Yeah, take out that 5%. Yeah, minus. You don't need to be in bracket. Yeah, I'm just testing this. All right, so it worked. Because he's telling you what, 8 people, right?
Yeah.
So why the calculation didn't work? Why the 5% didn't work? All right, I'm gonna check it on my computer. But you're running it okay? You said yes?
Yeah.
All right, save it. You have to save it first for it to see the result. Click on save.
Save it.
And what? You're saying that minus $500 for registered students. School fee less 500. School fee less. No, say it. Save it as school fee less 500 for registered students. But it should work, guys. I don't know why I didn't give you that. What you should have done mathematically, all I had before is find 5% of the money that the person had for school fee and take away that from the original amount. Okay? Good. So if you now go into student information, you go into student information, you realize that all the registered student people school fee is short by $500.
Tell the difference. Actually, yeah, this one tell me 8.5.
Yeah. So I don't know why the calculation didn't work out exactly when the first
This is
time
in
was.
a negative balance because of $58 they were paying.
Yeah. That person is going to negative. That's right. That's why I give the bracket. So he had $58, so it goes into our negative balance.
All right.
All right. Good. So you see what we can do, guys? Easy peasy.
Excel.
In a database, once the information is in here. Okay. All right, let's do one more. So these are things that are not a part of the syllabus. I'm just showing you that, with a database, you could do all these little things with it.
Okay.
Create first name, last name. Change it now. I'm gonna do a delete query. You could do select query, you could do make table, append, update, cross tab, you could do delete, you could do union, you could do so many things with a database. So change it from select query, which you have up top, change it to delete query.
Sure.
Good. Delete query, the fields at the bottom change, you see?
Where?
Yeah.
Where do you want to delete?
You're right. So let's delete somebody we know in the database, given the exact name.
That's the criteria?
Yeah. Okay, so we're saying that we're deleting Virgo, right?
Yeah.
All right, because in the where you can do other things as well. Click on the where option, drop down option. You could do from all these other things. But if we leave it at where, we're saying that we're deleting this person from the database, okay? Okay?
It's not changing from where to from.
No, man, it's okay because we put in the name here, so it's okay. It's gonna select it. It says where what we're saying is where this Virgo is in the database, okay?
Yeah.
All right, run it. And it says you find one person, and ask if you're really sure you want to. If you say yes, fine. Save it now, save it. You won't see the result yet. You have to save it first. Delete, put delete. What's his name, first name?
No.
Okay, fine. And then go okay. And you realize the symbol for delete query comes up different, right? There's an X there. So if you go into the student information table, you realize that person is no longer doing. You see that?
Yeah.
Good. And every record for this person which is related to the other tables will be also removed.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because the tables are connected. So once you're moving from this table, all the corresponding relationship data from the other tables will be removed as well. All right. So then there are others. There's a lot of things that you could do in the database as long as your data is good. There's a caution though. There's a caution. This is the caution. You see, if you run those queries that will update a table or change the data in a table, for example, the delete query, the update query, and stuff, those are modification queries. If you don't run them correctly, it will wipe out all the data in your table.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Misspelling, punctuation, space. Put that space bar you're not supposed to do, it will wipe out every single thing in your table. So imagine if you had a customer database with 3 million clients and somebody decided to run an update. And in running the update, they made a misspelling or something. It will wipe out everything. So the precaution in database is that you make copies of a database. You make copies of your files over and over and over. So in the event that you make a change to something, you can always revert back to the backup rather than, erasing potential clients or clients' information permanently. Because database, that's what happened. When you delete information from database, you can recover, you can do undo. Yeah, it's not like Word or Excel where you can do undo or probably PowerPoint. This doesn't allow you to go back. When you're running the query, it asks you, are you sure you want to go forward? If you say yes, that's it. It's gone. You hear me, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Good. So, do you remember how to create the forms? Miss Edwards and others? We have two forms at the bottom. We have two forms at the bottom. There's a form for faculty information. There's a form for student information. You remember how we created them?
Yes, sir. You're going to create, and then you select forms. But sir, when what the problem I'm having, like when I don't know how you're writing the forms, like you create the form, but me can't write in the form.
I don't understand. What do you mean you can't write in the form?
Yeah, like me create it now, and when I try write in the form that I created, I'm not getting the option.
Oh, my bad. Let me tell you why. Listen this carefully, guys. Listen this very, very, very carefully. For you to use a form, there's a simple step. You have to create the form first, save the form, close the form, and reopen the form for you to use the form.
Okay, let me try that before.
So once it's created, you have to save it, close it, reopen it before you can use it. It doesn't activate until you save it and close it and reopen it. So this was your form?
Yes, sir.
You want to delete it and do it back over? The person see you created?
With your help, of course, sure.
All right, close it. Close that one too. Close everything that's going to interrupt you. Click on the form, student information form, and delete it. Right. Show me how you tell what Edwards. You're
Sorry.
faster than but you have to remember say you have other persons that watch you, so you have to tell them what's going on.
Doesn't mean not even remember myself. This is not my strong point. I'm so sorry. What is the again?
It's on the form that you want to create.
Yeah, student information. Then we click create, or we have to open it.
You can create, no.
Okay, form. Okay.
Done.
That's
just
it.
need to see it now.
I will just rename it.
Yeah, just click on save. All right. So it pulls over all the information from the table. Okay? It pulls over all the information from the table. You see, you can't use it now, you know. Because it's not, it didn't close it and reopen it. So if you try to add in any information in it, it won't allow you to. So when you close it and reopen it, the yellow line is no longer around it. Now you can add information.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's a problem she had earlier. Okay. Guys?
Yes, sir. I got you with that now. So, like, since I fill up the student information form, right? Now I want to do a new form. Do I have to create a form again, or just where can I go to do a new form?
Hold on, a new form? Hold on.
Like
a new form or a new record? Which one is it?
A new record, like the same student information form, but a new record.
All right. At the bottom, wait. At the bottom, yeah, that's the one. You could do it up there where it says new. Or at the bottom of the screen where she's saying here, right here, there's some arrows. There's one that says new record at the bottom. Now it has a star. The one that has a star. Go back.
Okay.
See the one that has a star?
Oh,
Is the
new
character
blank
blank one.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And you could put in the information there. And once you put in the information there for the new person, it populates the table. The information jumps into the table.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So that's what we do. We give you forms to work with. We give the clients the forms to work with. So when we give you your online application form to fill out, it populates our table for us. Because you have to fill out the form exactly this way. You have to put in your first name, you have to put in your ID number, you have to put in all these things exactly, and then it populates our table for us. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
And once the tables are populated properly, we can run queries. We could do reports. We could do everything as long as we collect the data properly. Get it?
Yes, sir.
All right. The way that you created the form a while ago is by using all the data. But what if I want a special form? I want a special form to see specific data. I want to see, let me show you. Click on create again. And click on, we're going to create a form, but we're going to use the wizard this time. Yeah. Good. From the wizard, we can from the wizard, we can determine what are the fields that we want to see in the form from the different tables, okay? So let's say ID number. You pull that over. First name, last name, registration status. Perfect. Wait. I want to know which school they are assigned to. So drop down the table. One up above. No, above. Right. You could. We have faculty information here, don't it? Right. So we want to know which faculty they are assigned to, faculty name. And isn't there a location? Is there a table to tell where the faculty is located? In a faculty or room or something like that? Good. We have campus information, don't it? Good. So I just want my form to have this. Okay? I want to know the student for ID number, the first name, the last name, if they are registered, which faculty they're registered, and which campus they are on. Get it? So go next. This is the layout of what we want, the information. We could choose any of these formats. Go next. What will we call this? What we're going to call this this form? Student faculty information.
Okay.
Put student in front.
Sure.
Student faculty status information. And then go finish. There you go. You see that?
Yeah.
You see that, guys? Close it and reopen back. So if we wanted, close it, yeah, reopen back. If we wanted, let's say, student union, we wanted student union to know about their different students. We don't want to give them information about the school fee pay. We don't want to give them information about the student address. We don't want to give them too much information.
Yeah.
But we can give them this information just to be able to reach out to the students, don't it? We could even put their email address right there, not true?
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you go next record, you're seeing the different students. You're seeing which department they belong to and which campus they're on. Everybody see this? You see what we're talking about?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how we're able to give different individuals in different organizations different views, but restricted views based on the level of their positions in the organization. You're not giving them the full access to the database to allow them to be able to manipulate the database or to be able to know too much about your clients. Right? You're just giving them the basic for them to work in the particular position they are assigned to. Okay? So probably a front desk person, you doesn't want to give them information about their role as front desk persons. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then I'm not losing everyone. Everybody's seeing what I'm doing. What we're doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's so useful. This comes in. Or that was a question. There was a question. Somebody say something after Miss Stewart. I hate when guys so quiet.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
All right. So, when you have the form, how would you send the form to somebody to fill it out for themselves?
Oh, we could create a link and send a link to them. So when they open the link, all they're seeing is this version of it.
Okay.
This is like when you go to pick a site and so on, and you click on the link and the form just pop up for you to populate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Oh, you create the link. for
Uh,
future purposes.
sorry, what was that?
How did you create the link in the case of me creating a website in the future or anything like that, sir?
All right. I mean, we're talking about the link that they could click on to get to this.
Yes.
All right. I don't remember exactly, but I know how to do it. I just need to refresh it. I can tell you by next week, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. But what I want you to realize is that the information that we use to create this form is coming from multiple tables, don't it?
Yes, sir.
And the reason why it's doing that is because when we were creating tables, we linked all the 3 tables together.
Yeah.
If you go to database tools and then click on relationship, go there and click on relationship. You see that the 3 tables are linked because we created this relationship between these 3 tables. And because we created a relationship between these 3 tables like this, you're able to pull information from the respective table, but still view them as being connected, okay?
Yes, sir.
If we didn't create the relationship, you wouldn't get this particular result that we're working with. All right. I'm going to show you to do 2 more things. Go back to the form that you just created. Just close the relationship and the form should pop up. All right. We're going to go into, no man.
Sorry.
Just going to fool around a bit. Click on design view. Okay. The design view allows you to add different features to it. For instance, you could add a date and time. Click on date and time.
Where is that?
Come over to your right. Come over to your right there, date and time. So it will always have a date and time present. You choose the date and time on it. Which are the format you need.
It's just fine. The sample is fine.
All right, fine. You could put in a logo. Yeah, but that means you'd have to have the logo stored somewhere. If you have a school logo, save somewhere, you could click on it. You have something there. Yeah, pair pictures of females.
Something.
Just choose one. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Say to put in your logo. You can move it and put it where you want to go. It's kind of blocking something right there, so drag it down. If you do that, it's gonna block that word.
Okay, hold on.
You can, click on it and move it as an image, so you can move it. It's not giving you option for move?
No. Not moving.
What? You can go expand? Why is it giving you that option?
Put it in the left hand corner.
Yeah, but it's giving us a problem to move. I don't know why it's doing that. And you shouldn't. You should be able to just be able to drag and put it where you want to put it.
I inserted a logo in mine that I'm practicing on, and it moved perfectly.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It should move easy. I don't know why it's giving her a problem to move. No. Don't worry. We'll figure out why. All right. You could change the theme. Click on theme. Theme. Right. You could choose one of those themes.
That's actually like giving Excel, right?
All right. You could change the color scheme. You could change the font. Okay. All right, you could mess around there, right? So we go change back the view. Form view. You see it, okay? All right. I know why. Hold on. Let me tell you why it's giving that. Go back into the view, design view. All right. Click on, there's an option called, it's the field with date and time. You can actually click it and drag it down a bit.
Here, hold
No,
on.
no, no, no,
Here?
no. The box. Yeah, those boxes. Yes? Yeah, those boxes. Click on the first one. Why is it doing
This
that?
time.
Change it. Oh, there's another view. Go to view and see if it. Yeah, layout view. Yeah. And yeah, you can drag it down. Yeah. And you can do the same thing with the image as well.
Just one because it's still not moving.
So you
The
need
image don't like you.
Like
All
it.
right. The image don't like you.
Not like
All right, don't worry. If I had it, I could fiddle around and get it working. But
get rid of it.
all right, good. But you see, you could change it up as much as you want to make it look attractive. You could add stuff to it. You could add navigation buttons to it and stuff to make it more presentable.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's your forms. You could change the background color, put in a background image.
Content. Where's the color? Wow.
Yeah, you choose that bright color.
Yeah. Nice.
Use the light.
Get the gist.
All right.
And filter. Oh, okay, okay.
So you're having fun.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
No bad.
All right. Good. All right. Let's do a report. This the forms are easy, guys.
Yeah, no bad. No did.
All right, let's do a report. Reports are even the easiest thing. All right, click on create, click on report. No, close that, close that, close that. Let's use the report wizard. You created a report from something. You create a report from student information, and you just generated that report. We don't want that. Close that.
I'm gonna close that now. Close.
Say no, you're not saving it. Say no.
Okay.
All right. All right. Report step-by-step wizard. Let's use the wizard. Let's pick up first name, last name. I want registered and school fee paid. And I want by drop down the option for me. We have query. Yeah, because I can pick from anything I want to pick from it, I can pick from there. Go to student information table. All right. What do I want from here? Scroll down. What do I want from here? Gender. Good. Good. All right. Next. All right. This is the layout. Next. I want to sort by last name. So drop down that option and say, no, drop down. There's a drop down option there. Yeah. Last name. That's it. Last name alone.
Okay.
Next. That's the layout. It's okay. You can use whatever is there. Portrait, landscape, whatever. That's just fine. Voila, that's my report.
Okay.
Only one registered student? Scroll down. Why does it show me only one?
Just one last year.
Why is only one? It's more than one registered female students, don't it?
Sir, when you did do it, the query was underneath Christine Bennett.
Oh, don't save it. Start it over. It was pulling information from the query alone and not the student information table. Close that. Start it back over. Thanks. Good observation. Report, yeah. Choose student information, right? Student information table. Student information table. That's where you want to pull it from. All right, go. First name, last name, registration status and gender. But I also want campus. No. Go back. I want campus. So pull information. Campus information is not in that table, so you need to pull it from another table. Right. Perfect. Good. Next. Yes, next. Search, last name. Next. You should run to jump the good. All right, fine. There you go. That's our report. That is a report. This is a report about the students, the registration status on the campus they belong to. You see what the reason why it came up and said lecture rooms is when you are doing it, you should have there was a last step that was there that says what do you want to save it as? You bypass that step. And that's why it came up like this. To do it back over, let me show you missed that step.
This one.
First name, last name.
I said gender and faculty. Rooms, campus.
Yeah.
That's it.
Next. Surname. Next. No, next. All right, that's the layout. Oh, you want it to layout. Next. See there?
Here. Yeah.
Yes. What do you want to save it as? So give it the name now.
I don't know.
Give it a proper name.
No.
Student and their status, registration status. Student info and registration status.
Okay.
Voila. So all I would need to do is probably put in the date in there and the page number. So I'll just go to the design view.
I think it's down at the bottom.
Huh? It's
It's
there?
there.
Oh, yeah. And you realize the report comes up as a green thing at the bottom there?
Yeah. It has been coming up for some time.
Okay. So that's the one legitimate report. The others are rubbish. You could delete the 4 ones before, the lecture room and the one that says Christian. You could delete that one. Delete those. Good. So if I wanted a report on the amount of the students who are not registered, what I'll do is run a query first, save the query as unregistered students, and then just run a report from that query.
Oh.
Okay? Look how quick and easy. Close that for me. You have a query there that has registered females, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Click on it. Click on it first. Just click on it. Go to report. No man, don't open it. Don't open it. Just click on it to highlight it.
Oh, so don't open it. All right.
Yeah. Go to report and click on report.
This one? Okay.
Yeah. Here it is. And you just save it. Save it because you use a query to filter out the information first. And that's your answer. And that's it. Save. Click on save.
Okay.
There it is. Done. Easy stuff, eh?
Yeah. It's not hard.
Very easy stuff. So persons who, you see, once the data is collected properly,
yeah,
and you know
they have linked it and created a relationship, it should be fine from there.
Right. And you set up the rules in terms of how people enter information into the database so they can't put in foolishness.
Yeah.
Like if they try to put in a wrong gender or they try to put in something that's, you understand? Once you put in all those restrictions, for instance, they must put in their first name, they must put in last name, they must put in their middle initial, or else they can't save anything. You must put in the date of birth, you must put in the employment status, all those things like on a picker form. You can't save it. We set up all those restrictions and stuff. And it's good. You create the form to allow them to keep on populating the database. You're good. You can always run the amount of queries that you want.
Pretty much.
Good. I think I'm losing a lot of people, so I'm going to stop there. All right. Pull up your course outline. Let me show you that we have actually, I think, covered 90% of it in the as it relates to access. See? Forms, create forms, scroll down. We didn't do B. No worry. We can come back to it. You see? You created the forms, you display data in the forms, you created a report, you insert a picture, you created a preview. We have not done the last thing, which is what? No, we did it. We use tables and queries as data sources for your reports.
You were just did all of them.
Yeah, we done it. Done. Easy stuff. The only thing we didn't do 8. I'm going to stop here for today. I tell you, I'm going in bit size. So when we come back next week, what we'll do is anything that we didn't cover here, I will cover it. Anything that you didn't capture or you didn't understand, I'll go over it and give you some more practice before I give you the assessment.
All right, sir, no problem.
Okay. I'm not getting the vibes this evening. People are giving me the post Reggae Boy game vibes. I don't like that. So I'm gonna stop here for today and pick up back next week. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Try have a good evening, and I'll see you next week. Okay?
You too.
Okay, sir. You too.
All right. Good.